హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో ఏరియాస్ చూసాం. ఈ వీడియోలో పెరిమీటర్ చూస్తున్నాం. వాట్ ఈస్ ద పెరిమీటర్ మీన్స్ ది డిస్టెన్స్ కవర్డ్ అలాంగ్ ది బౌండరీ ఫార్మింగ్ ఏ క్లోజ్డ్ ఫిగర్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ పెరిమీటర్. Let us see the what is the perimeter of square. So first draw the figure. Next, square means all sides are equal. So side of the square consider as A. So AB, BC and CD and AD values consider as A. So perimeter means sum of all sides. Here sum of all sides are AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. So these all values are considered as A plus A plus A plus A. So these all are like terms. So this A coefficient is 1 only. So for all one only coefficient. So A plus A plus A is a 4A. So here A is side. 4 into side is the perimeter of the square. Let us see the rectangle. So first draw the figure. Rectangle means opposite sides are equal. So this AB is L and CD also L and BC is B and AD also B. So what is the perimeter means sum of all sides. Sum of all sides is AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. So AB is L and BC is B and CD is L, AD is B. So L plus L is 2A and B plus B is 2B. So in these two terms 2 will be common. 2 into L plus B is the formula for rectangle. Let us see the scale and triangle. So scale and triangle means all sides are different. So all sides are different length. So what is the perimeter of scale and triangle means sum of all sides. All sides means AB plus BC plus AC. For suppose what is the perimeter of equilateral triangle means equilateral triangle is all sides are equal. So for any regular polygon has a perimeter is n into number of sides is the formula for that. So for equilateral triangle 3 into side is the formula for perimeter of equilateral triangle. Okay, thank you friends.